Hello everyone, welcome in Crafting Wheel channel. Today I will show you how to make a crochet bra, and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like that video, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. To make the bra, I will use BC yarn, Jabor silk fino yarn, and hook number 3.5 millimeter as shown now, and I will use a metal ring like that. I will start round 1. I will join our yarn with the metal ring and join a slip knot, then make 42 single crochet stitches around that ring, then close with a slip stitch. I will make it and I'll come back. I will start round 2. I will make 3 chains as shown now, then make double crochet into seam stitch, then make 2 chains and make 2 double crochet again into seam stitch as shown now, to make that shell. Then I will skip next 3 stitches and make new shell into the 4th stitch as shown now. So I will make 2 double crochet into 4th stitch into same stitch. I will make 2 double crochet and 2 chains and 2 double crochet again to make second shell as shown now, and repeat that another time. I will make a 3rd shell with same sequence as shown now. I will skip next 3 stitches and make 3rd shell into the 4th stitch as shown now. I will make it and I'll come back. Now I finished round 2 and I will start round 3. I will turn your work and I will make slip stitch into next 3 stitches as shown now. I will make the 3rd slip stitch into the space of 1st shell from the previous row, then make 3 chains and make double crochet to start a new shell into the space of the previous shell as shown now, and make 2 chains, then make 2 double crochet again to make that shell as shown now with the shape. Then I will start new shell into the space of the shell from the previous row with same sequences and make the third chain with same sequences as shown now with the shape. I finished round 3. Then I will start round 4 with same sequences. Now I finished round 4 and I will start round 5. I will make slip stitch into next 3 stitches as shown now. To make a new shell, so I will make 3 chains and make double crochet and 2 chains and 2 double crochet again to start new shell for round 5 as shown now. Then I will make 2 chains and make 13 double crochet into the space of next shell as shown now. Into second shell I will make 13 double crochet stitches into that space. I will make it and I will make last shell of that round with same sequences. I will come back. Now I finished round 5, then I will start round 6. I will make slip stitch into next 3 stitches as usual to start a new shell for the round 6. Then I will make 3 chains and a double crochet and 2 chains and 2 double crochet again to make the shell. Then make 2 chains and make double crochet above double crochet from the previous row as shown now. Then make a chain and make another double crochet above next double crochet and make a chain and repeat that above 13 double crochet from the previous row as shown now. And make last shell with same sequences. Now I finished that round. Then I will start round 7. I will make slip stitch into next 3 stitches as shown now to make a new shell. Now I finished first shell. Then I will make 3 chains and make single crochet into the space between 2 double crochet from previous row as shown now. I will make single crochet into that space and make 3 chains. Then make single crochet again into the space between 2 double crochet from the previous row and repeat with same sequences across the row. Then make last shell with same sequences. I will make it and I'll come back. Now I finished round 7 with that shape. Then I will start round 8. I will turn our work and make slip stitch into next 3 stitches as shown now, and make first shell, then make 3 chains and repeat with same sequence. So I will make single crochet into that space and make 3 chains and make another single crochet into that space and make 3 chains and repeat with same sequences across that row, then make last shell with same sequences as shown now. I made round from round 8 to round 19, sorry, to round 18 with same sequences. Then I will start round 19. I will make slip stitch into next 3 stitches as shown now, then start new shell as shown now. Then I will make another shell, a last shell without any chains again. So I will make 2 double crochet into the space of next shell, I mean last shell from the previous row, and make 2 chains and make 2 double crochet again into that space to make second shell with that shape. Then I will repeat from round 20 to round 34 with same sequences as shown now. Then I will arrive to round 35. I will make 3 chains as shown now and turn your work and make double crochet into the space of the shell as shown now. Then make another double crochet between 2 shells into the space between 2 shells and make another double crochet into the next shell, into the space of next shell. Then make last double crochet above double crochet from the previous row. To make 5 double crochet into that round 35. Then I will start round 36. I will make 3 chains and turn your work, then skip next double crochet and make double crochet above next double crochet, then skip next double crochet again and make last double crochet above last double crochet from the previous row as shown now to have 3 double crochet into that round. Then I will start round 37. I will make 3 chains and turn your work, then skip next double crochet and make double crochet to have 2 double crochet into that round with that shape. Then I will start round 38. I will repeat previous round and repeat for the length you want to wrap the bra around your body for the 2 sides. Now I finished first side with that shape. Then I will cut our yarn and fasten off. Then I will make the left side. I will skip 12 stitches as shown now and join our yarn to make the left side, and repeat with the same sequences across the all rounds with same sequences. I will make it and I'll come back. Now I finished two sides with same sequences with the shape. I hope to admire you. Then I will make the bands to tie that bra around the neck. Then I will count 8 shells from the ring and join our yarn. Then make a new shell inside that shell as shown now. So I will make 3 chains and make double crochet and make 2 chains and make 2 double crochet again into same shell to make a new shell as shown now. Now I finished that shell. Then I will repeat that shell for the length you want to tie around the neck. So I will turn your work and make slip stitch into next 3 stitches, then make start new shell and repeat with the length to want to wrap that bra around our neck. I will make it and I will come back. Now I finished the bra with that shape and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like that video, and if you have any question don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. Thanks for your watching.